Hello trade pros. Today I'm going to tell you 3 reasons you need to be part of our futures trading course and learn how to trade with order flow. Reason number 1, you're going to get proprietary level trading education. We haven't got a chance to mount the whiteboard yet, so I'm going to get an arm workout for this video. In our futures trading course, you're going to learn tools that you've never heard of because they work. We've had a lot of experience with traders coming in who have been trading 5, 10, even 20 plus years, and they've said, wow, how come I've never heard of these tools? And the reason is that they actually work. These are tools used at proprietary trading firms to earn consistent profit. We're going to learn how to read order flow, how to look at other orders in the market, and how to quantify and qualify trade setups. We start by finding a level, and then we look for specific qualifiers using order flow to help get us into our trades. Also, we're going to give you a lot of risk management strategies to help you scale your trading account. The good news with futures trading is that you don't need a massive account to start. In fact, oftentimes the account that you could start with is going to be less than the amount of money you're expecting to pay for the training. You can start trading futures with as little as $3,000 in your account. And on top of that, because we teach you the risk management strategies, you won't need to put a lot of capital at risk. I personally strongly believe that in order to be a profitable trader, you have to become an amazing risk manager first. Profits are not the goal. Profits are the reward for managing risk and being able to spot opportunities and having the discipline to execute on those trade opportunities. So our futures trading course will teach you all of that and more. If you were to get hired by a professional proprietary trading company, what would you expect to learn? This is the question that I asked myself when I created this training, and I can't wait to deliver it to you. And if you're watching this video before February 4th of 2019, you have an opportunity to join this training live. That means I'll teach you the course lesson by lesson in a live setting and allow you the opportunity to ask questions. If you're watching it in a recorded version, you can always ask questions, and our support team is there around the clock to make sure these concepts sink in and you're able to use them to your own trading. Reason number 2 to join TRADEPRO Academy and watch the futures trading course is community. That's how they used to do slide transitions before they had software. Imagine being able to be in the trading room with a community total of over 100 years of experience. Our moderators, myself included, Steven covering oil, Victorio covering NASDAQ, Mark covering futures and Forex as well. Imagine being around a group of traders who's been doing this so long and has been consistent for so long that they have nothing but positive lessons to teach you. I've been through the road. I know how hard it is at the beginning, but you found your home. Our community is very strong and very active. In their live daily trading room, a lot of our traders collaborate, analysis, opinions, and even trade ideas. Plus, if you happen to have a down day, which we all inevitably do, the group comes in and supports you with positivity. Because during those days, what you need is to bounce back, not to dwell in what could have happened or what did happen, but to focus on what is happening and what can happen. That's the power of a community. On a daily basis in our live trading room and community, we have members hitting record profits, their first profitable days ever, their first days on their sim account, and many more milestones, and we get to accomplish them together as a community every single day. And I can't tell you how much it warms my heart to see our community do well and be successful. We're often told that our trading community is the best people I've ever experienced, and that's our goal. So come out and meet a TRADEPRO family and say hello. I'd love to introduce you to the team. Reason number 3 is twofold: time and cost. We really have to get this board mounted this week. Now, I understand that you're busy with your everyday life. We all have priorities and family goals, and at the end of the day, we're just trying to live the best life that we can. That's why our futures trading course is created to get you up and running and be successful within the first 90 days from starting at TRADEPRO Academy. Whether you're a complete beginner or an experienced trader, there's a very good chance the material you're going to encounter is new to you. So allow yourself some time to learn this material, but after the 90-day period, you're going to be able to spend just 2 hours a day and have an opportunity to earn your full-time income. Many of our members are doing that at the moment. We've seen some amazing success stories where traders aren't trading their time for money, but making more money in less time than ever before. Now let me tell you about subpoint number 2, cost. This is a very important factor. A Warren Buffett quote says, "Price is what you pay, value is what you get." Our entire business model is structured around the word value. Our membership pricing is on a monthly basis. There are no commitments, no lock-in periods, sign-up costs, exit costs. You pay by the month, and the model is called pay as you earn. This education could easily cost $10,000 plus. In fact, we hear a lot of our feedback from our members that say this should be a lot higher in price. And at the end of the day, our goal is to create value and a strong community. And we do that with our pricing model. You also have the opportunity to try it completely risk-free. I'm super excited about this futures trading course, and I'm really happy to deliver it. We're starting on Monday. This is going to be groundbreaking stuff. In 2016, we recorded our first version of the futures course, and this year we're giving it a significant facelift. In fact, I called it a retaping, but it's not a retaping. It's a complete rebuild, and I'm creating a course that works in today's markets. Thank you so much for tuning in today. We have more great video content coming your way. Click here to subscribe to our channel, and be sure to hit the notifications bell to receive updates for every new post we have. To get your copy of a free 6-lesson training, click here as well, and you can start right away. Thank you for tuning in. I hope you have a great day. Take care, and goodbye. There, it's mounted now.